Hello guys, and welcome back to Sprint to CET video series of MBAP. And today we'll continue with about visual reasoning, and we'll consider topics like odd man out and characteristics, which usually come in CET abstract reasoning section. Now, you can easily expect 5 questions from odd man out and characteristics in the actual examination. And odd man out and characteristics are something which students find really very confusing, especially out of all the different types of visual reasoning questions. So today we'll look at how we can find out the one thing which is differentiating between a particular figure and the others, and in that way we'll be able to solve most of the questions from odd man out. Okay, so let's make sure that you can stop the video whenever you want and try to answer the question, and then see that how much time you're taking after the solution that I have provided. All right, so without further ado, let's look at the first question. Okay, now looking at this, see, every figure, some part of it is dark and some part of it is white, but we have to find out the one figure where it is the most distinguishing one, right? So let's look at the darkened part of everyone. It is okay, this in this side, then next this one, then third में यहाँ पे and fourth में यहाँ पे. So it is covering all the sides of the square. Let's look at this one. It is coming this side black, then in the figure यहाँ पे है, so this one, then again it is coming this end, so this is something different, and then last में यहाँ पे. So in the second one, the square is not being completed. Let's look at the third option. In third option, it is coming here, okay, then second में यहाँ पे, so over here, then third में it is coming here, and fourth में again it is coming. All right, so if you see, in third one also the square is not being completed. Let's see, I can understand from this information, I think that option A will be the odd man out, but let's see whether it is happening in option 4 as well. So this side is being completed, then this side dark hua, third mein again it is coming this side, and then fourth mein this side. So here also the square is remaining incomplete. So only in option 1 all the 4 sides of the squares are darkened sequentially except the other 3. So option A will be the right answer, odd man out. Let's look at the next one. So 3 figures are overlapping over here: circle, triangle, and your rectangle. Now in this one the dot is common to rectangle and triangle, fine. In this one it is common to square and triangle. In option C, it is figure C, it is common to circle and triangle. All right, and in option D also it is common to the triangle and circle. So in only option A it is common to triangle and rectangle, whereas in every other option over here also it is circle and triangle only. So option A will be odd man out over here. Let's look at the third one. So the number of figures on sides of squares are increasing in some fashion. It is 2, 3, so 2, 3, then 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this one it is 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So in this option it went from 3 to 6 in the anti-clockwise direction. It was increasing by 1. In this it is 2, 3, 4, and 5, again anti-clockwise, increasing by 1. It is happening same over here also, 1, 2, 3, and 4. It is not happening here, so option A will be my answer. Let's check whether it is happening here as well. So 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yes, so option A will be the odd man out over here. Okay, let's look at some certain questions from classification as well. So classification can be considered as an extension of odd man out itself. So there is certain relationship between these two, and then we have to find out of these 5 which one is not following this one. Alright, so I can see that there are 3 darkened petals and 1, 2, 3 normal curves, and over here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 darkened petals and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 curves. But So what is the difference is that if you see the curves are, two of the curves are of anti-clockwise direction, and this curve is from anti-clockwise direction, so it is going like this, and these other two are going in this format fashion. So that means the number of petals and number of curves should be equal, that I can see, and curves, two of the curves are remaining in the same and one is in different. Let's look at what is happening over here. 1 2, okay, 3 and 2 are in this format. Alright, so there is a difference of 1 in the direction of the curves. Okay, it was 2 minus 1 over here, it was 4 minus 3 in this one. So we'll have to find out what is happening in this. So now this is something which is looking a little bit scary, I can understand. So let's keep it for later. Let's find out if all others are actually falling into this or not. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 7 darkened petals, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 7 curves also are there, and the direction of the curves, if you see, 1 2 3 4 1 2 3, so the directions are 4 minus 3 1. So this is actually following whatever was given over here. Over here it is 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, 5 darkened petals and 5 curves, and the direction is actually two of, okay, 3 of them are actually having in the same one, and 2 of them are opposite. So 3 minus 2, 1 will come over here also. This is looking quite easier, 1 2 3, and it is similar to the first option. So these two are in same direction, this one is in different. So again 3 minus 2, so this one is also following. Let's look at the option 5. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 darkened petals, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 curves as well. And let's look at the direction as well now. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 and 1 2 3, so again 4 minus 3 equal to 1. So this one is actually not following anything, so it's a good thing that we left this for the last, because this one is not following, so this one will be the right answer. Let's look at the next one. Okay, what pattern can we see over here? Okay, so this is actually coming to be making a diagonal. Okay, we can 3 are in line in the diagonal. Here it is not having this side, but this side is coming in diagonal, right? Any other pattern that we can see? 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 circles are there and 5 crosses are there over here. In this one, 1 2 3 4 5, it is ulta, 5 circles are there and 4 crosses are there. Let's look at this one. In this also there is a diagonal relationship. Let's first look at the diagonal relationship, whether we can find out any answer or not. This is also diagonal. Okay, here also we can find diagonal relationship. In this we cannot find a diagonal relationship. Here there is a diagonal relationship. Alright, so if we just went with diagonal relationship pattern only, option 4 would have been the right answer, because it is actually not following the pattern over here. So if I have to classify, option 4 will have been the classified one. Alright, so again, odd man out and classification are extremely important if you can get that proper element, which is the distinguishing one out of the 5 options. So I would recommend to practice as many questions as possible from these two categories, and share this video with your friends if you have learned something valuable. And if you want to watch more videos of similar fashion, please subscribe to the channel of MBAP, so that you can reap more benefits from tricks like this. Alright, best of luck. Thank you so much.